Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up Viber on your Android device. If you have just downloaded Viber and are ready to get started, you're in the right place. First, go to your home screen or app drawer and tap on Viber app icon to open it. Once Viber opens, you'll see a welcome screen with Viber's terms and privacy policy. Tap on Start Now. Now, Viber will ask you for your phone number. Select your country code from the drop-down menu if it's not already correct. Then type in phone number. Once you've entered it, tap on Continue. Then allow Viber to access your contacts. Viber will send you a verification code to confirm your number. Once you get the code, enter it on the screen. The app may auto-detect it, but if it does not, just type it in manually. Then after filling in your name, date of birth and email, you're all set up on Viber. You can now start chatting with your friends, making free calls or join groups. Tap on the tick icon right here. Then allow Viber to take pictures and record videos to use its full features. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.